All JBF solutions have one advantage in common. Whether it is built into a vessel such as this Valdez Star or as a standalone modular system, it is the JBF proven Dynamic Inclined Plane Technology, DIP for short, the most efficient process ever tested by the U.S. government. DIP technology harvests all types of oils, capturing more than 99% in calm conditions and over 75% in waves. How does this happen? Let's look. A conveyor belt carries the slick underwater. Buoyant forces carry the oil to the surface in a collection well. Meanwhile, clean water flows through an opening at the vessel's stern. A sensor light indicates when the collection is full, and then recovered oil is then pumped to storage. This recovery process allows large quantities of oil to be recovered with little, if any, free water. This technology is incorporated into a wide range of skimming systems with various capacities. Included here are images of the JBF DIP Voss skimmers, which are deployed alongside existing vessels, or incorporated into shallow water recovery vessels such as our JBF 420, which deploys the DIP over the bow, as well as our nearshore catamaran JBF 4500 vessel, and offshore vessels the JBF 5000 and 6000.